Welcome to Kitson Postcards. I'm Beth,
And I'm Aaron.
and we started this blog to bring the world a little bit closer to you. At 51, we decided it was time for a new chapter, so we both retired from our jobs, we packed up our few essentials, and we bought a one-way ticket to Istanbul.
We're officially settled into our new apartment, and we're excited to take you along for the ride. Most of our friends and family know that we've been traveling the world for over a decade. Now that we're retired and have time to create this, we can bring that world to you.
We've learned a lot in our travels. We learned that there's a lot of good in this world. Pretty much everywhere we've gone to has welcomed us with open arms, and we can't think of a place out of the 60 plus countries that we've been to that hasn't done it. We've also learned that the people are just like you and I. They go for dinner with their families every night. They bring their kids to their soccer games, or they stress about their jobs. They're just living their lives like us.
We've also spent the better part of a decade figuring out how to effectively use points and miles to travel further, especially aspirational travel. We're excited to pull back the curtain and share that knowledge with you as we explore.
We're currently navigating the Turkish culture, failing a little bit at learning the new language. Bir çay ister misiniz? And we're trying to do this all while navigating the world. So whether we're mastering a new Turkish phrase,
Or catching a flight to a new country.
our goal is simple: to bring the world closer to you.
And since we're the new kids on YouTube, we'd love your help. So if you have any travel recommendations, tips of what you'd like to see on this channel, be sure to post it in the comments below. We're building this community from the ground up, and we're so glad to have you at the very start.
Sherife.